Hello to everyone, especially to the students who took integral calculus this semester. Please join with me to study simple trigonometric function by integration. So I have two. Number one is integral of cosine cube theta d theta over 1 minus sine theta. While number two is integral of secant squared theta times tangent theta d theta over 25 plus tangent squared theta. So I will solve first number 1. Okay? So we will recall our trigonometry. Cosine cube theta. Then the denominator is 1 minus sine theta. Do you still remember rationalizing the denominator? So I need to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize, I have to multiply the conjugate of my denominator. Conjugate means I have to change a sign, which is, this will change to positive. So I have now 1 plus sine theta, then this will be 1 plus sine theta. Then I'll just use circle brackets, and then this will be integral, then this will be the theta. Okay, do not divide. Okay, instead you have to multiply denominators or numerator. So in this case, I have to multiply first the denominator. So 1 minus sine theta multiplied by 1 plus sine theta. So 1 times 1 is 1. Then 1 times negative sine theta is negative sine theta. Then sine theta times 1, that will be positive sine theta. Then negative sine theta times positive sine theta, that will be negative sine squared theta. Okay, so bring down 1. Okay, take note, negative sine theta, positive sine theta, this will be crossed out. Then bring down minus sine squared theta. Okay, so this will be integral of cosine cube. I just copy this one first by writing circle brackets 1 plus sine theta, because I need to simplify first the denominator. So I have now circle brackets 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, let us recall our trigonometry. Pythagorean identity. So we have sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Okay? Solving for cosine squared. Cosine squared theta is equals to 1. Transpose to the right, that will be minus sine squared theta. So meaning, my denominator is equal to cosine squared theta. So integral of cosine, I'll just split this one. Okay? There is theta, sorry. I will split this one, cosine squared theta times cosine theta. Then multiplied by circle brackets 1 plus sine theta d theta. Then this will be equal to cosine squared theta. So meaning, this will be crossed out. Okay? So I have now integral of cosine theta times circle brackets 1 plus sine theta d theta. And then I will multiply this one. So this will be integral of cosine theta d theta. Then plus integral of the second one. So sine theta cosine theta d theta. Okay. So let u will be sine theta. Differentiating both sides, derivative of sine, that will be positive cosine theta d theta. Okay? Allow me to erase this one. So integral of cosine theta d theta, that will be positive sine theta. Then this will be plus u. This will be sine theta is u. Then cosine theta d theta is du. So this will be sine theta plus integral of u du will be u squared over 2. Then plus c. Then plug in the value of u, which is sine theta. So this will be sine theta plus, circle brackets, sine theta squared over 2. Then plus c. Okay, to simplify, my number one answer will be sine theta plus 1 over 2 sine squared theta plus c. So this is now my number one answer. Okay? I will proceed to number 2. Allow me to erase this part. Okay? So I will proceed to number 2. Number 2 is secant squared theta times tangent theta d theta over 25 plus tangent squared. Okay, so let u will be my denominator, 25 plus tangent squared theta. Differentiating both sides, 0. I will just write circle brackets plus 2. Then tangent theta. Then derivative of tangent, that will be secant squared theta d theta. So meaning to say du will be equal to 0 will be nothing. So 2 tangent theta secant squared theta d theta. So I will divide 2 both sides. 2 will be crossed out. So I have now du over 2 is equals to tangent theta secant squared theta d theta. Okay? So meaning, they are the same, right? Secant squared theta, tangent theta, because multiplication is commutative, meaning to say you can switch from right to left or right to left. Okay? So, tangent, secant squared theta times tangent theta d theta is equals to du over 2. So, this will be du over 2. Then, 25 plus tangent squared theta is u. Since this is constant, so I'll just place outside of the integration symbol. This will be integral, 1/2 integral of du over u. Then this will be 1 over 2 ln absolute u plus c. Then plug in the value of u. So this will be 1/2 ln absolute u is 25 plus tangent squared theta. Then this will be plus c. This is now my number 2 answer. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding to my discussion, you may write your comment or comments at the comment section. Then if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Maths TV. Thanks for watching.